Penthouse Paws Smart HD Feeder Installation. Unbox the feeder carefully. Open the top lid by turning the knob counterclockwise. Inside, you'll find the BPA-free feeding tray, user manual, power box, and USB-C cord. To install the USB cord, flip the feeder over and remove the battery cover. Plug the cord into the USB port and thread it through the raceway underneath. For backup power in case of a power outage, insert D-type batteries into the designated compartment. Slide the tray into its bracket until you hear a click. Then, plug in the USB cord and power adapter. To turn on the feeder, simply press the power button located below the display. To insert a micro USB card for recording, gently press the bottom of the camera and insert the card into the slot. Please note that micro SD cards are not included with the feeder. Now, let's pair the feeder with your smartphone. Scan the QR code found in the user manual using your phone's camera. This will direct you to the App Store, where you can download the Penthouse Paws app. Once the app is downloaded, open it and follow the prompts. You will be asked to allow notifications for live updates, agree to the user agreement, and sign in or create an account. Opt into all notifications to ensure the best user experience. You'll now be directed to the app's homepage. To pair the feeder, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and select Add Device. Choose Smart HD Feeder from the list of available devices. If you don't see a blinking light on the feeder, try resetting it. Next, connect the feeder to your Wi-Fi network. For QR code pairing, hold your phone's screen with the QR code facing the feeder's camera. Listen for a ding sound, then tap I heard a prompt. Once you see a green arrow next to the device, your feeder is successfully connected. Tap Done to proceed to the feeder's interface. To set feeding portions, click Feed and select the desired serving size for your pet. For manual feeding, double-click the bone button. The last feeding portion size you entered will be dispensed. To set a feeding schedule, click Feeding Schedule on the app screen. Choose portion sizes, repeat cycles for the days you want to feed, and set the feeding times using the provided time slots. To delete scheduled feedings, swipe left on the schedule you want to remove. To create feeding audio, click Feed, then click Feeding Audio at the bottom left of the screen. Record your audio message for up to 10 seconds. For example, you could say, "Hi, sweet angel, your food is ready." Once done recording, click Feed to hear your message play as your pet gets fed. To use the app to record your pet, click Record, and the feeder will automatically start recording. To speak live to your pet, click Speak and speak into your phone's microphone. Your pet will hear your voice through the feeder's speaker. To take a snapshot of your pet, click Snapshot. To view the live feed in full screen, tap the two arrows in a box icon in the bottom right corner. This will expand the live feed to fill your phone screen. For quick access to recording, snapshot, and live speaking options, use the corresponding buttons located at the bottom right of the live feed screen. To mute or unmute the microphone, tap the audio speaker icon on the left side of the screen. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your Penthouse Paws Smart HD Feeder and all its features. Enjoy watching and interacting with your furry friend remotely.